Want your iPhone to run at a steady 60 Hz with a full 120 Hz? I'll show 2 quick ways to change the refresh rate. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll and tap Accessibility to access motion and display controls. Select Motion, then find Limit Frame Rate to control frames per second. Turn Limit Frame Rate on to cap the display at 60 frames per second. Turn it off later to let your iPhone use its native refresh rate again. The second method uses Low Power Mode, which also lowers the refresh rate to save battery. Open Settings and tap Battery to find Low Power Mode. Toggle Low Power Mode on to reduce background activity and force a lower refresh rate. Toggle it off whenever you want full performance and the highest refresh rate again. Quick note, only promotion iPhones support 120 Hz. Other iPhones run at 60 Hz by default. Recap: use Accessibility Motion Limit Frame Rate or Settings Battery Low Power Mode to lock 60 Hz, or turn them off for full 120 Hz performance.